guys, here is our week 15 workouts. These are both strength workouts. So day 1 is going to be 2 to 4 sets of 10 reps of everything. The first one is going to be squats. So these can either be done with dumbbells, which you can hold at your side or on your shoulders, or if you're at the gym and want to do the barbell on your back, you can do those as well. So the squats, like we've been doing, abs are tight, sitting back and down, chest is up, making sure those heels stay on the floor, knees are not coming over the toes, chest is up, abs are nice and tight. Then you're gonna do a bench. So these can also be done with a barbell or with weights. If you don't have a bench but you're at home, you can be on the floor. So arms are gonna be bent, elbows at an angle, pressing up over your chest and back down. Then your single arm row are going to be with dumbbells. You can rest one hand on your leg or on a bench if you have it. Back is staying nice and flat. You're squeezing through your back muscles to row that dumbbell up to shoulder height. And you'll do 10 on each side. And then your last move is sit-ups. Feet are together, touching the ground, touching your feet. If you want to make that harder, you can hold a dumbbell at your chest and do the same thing. Then day 2 is also 2 to 4 sets of 10 reps. Your first move is deadlifts. So these will be done with dumbbells or with kettlebells. Feet are going to be about hip width apart. Shins are staying vertical. You're really hinging your hips back. So chest is about over your knees, back is nice and flat. You're pushing into the ground to stand up, sending your hips back, bending at the knees, making sure your core is nice and tight, your chest stays upright. The difference from the squat is that your shins are vertical and your hips are going back, more of that hinging movement. The next move is push-ups. So these can be on the ground or against a wall, getting your shoulders in line with your elbows. Abs are staying nice and tight, like someone's pulling your belly button up to the ceiling. Then we've got lunges. So these can be done unweighted or with weights, taking a big step out, knees staying over your ankle, driving off the ground to come together. If you're at the gym, you're gonna do the lat pull down machine, where you're pulling the bar down in front of you. If you're not at the gym, you can substitute these with that Superman with the row. So you're gonna raise up, really squeezing through your back to row your elbows back and back down. And then lateral raises. So with your dumbbells, again, abs are tight, palms are gonna face each other. You're gonna raise out to the side to about shoulder height. And then your last move is a plank. So these can be done on your hands or your elbows, whichever is more comfortable. Again, keeping your core nice and tight, butt in line. So you're in a nice straight line, abs are tight. And you're gonna hold that for 30